Right, so I hope everyone's alright, you know, all things considered and all that. So I wasn't actually going to do any coronavirus videos, but then I thought, you know, it's strangely in some weird ways started to affect me now, you know, through going to the shops and not being able to get things. So I thought I'd do a video of some alternative items. So the first one is like alcohol hand gel, an alternative for that. Now I can't take credit for this one because this was actually Miranda's idea. I think someone told her this online, and then we looked it up and thought that's a bloody good idea. So what it actually is this stuff. Now it's called alcolado glacial. It says splash up, cool down, breathe again, mentholated lotion. Now it's, as most of you know, the hand gel to make it work has got to be over, I think 60% or 62% alcohol, sorry. And this is actually 76% alcohol. And it is for splashing on your skin, splashing on your face. So it says basically usage: apply generously to the area needing relief, repeat as necessary. So you can look online for alcolado glacial. It also says alcolado glacial is more than just a splash lotion. Its menthol fragrance refreshes from head to toe. Please visit alcoladoglacial.com for more information. So you have to get this offline, by the way. I don't think you can get this in the UK. For over 70 years, a household name in the Caribbean. So there you go. So that, you might think it stinks, but strangely it doesn't at all. So it's got a lid like that. What you really want to do is take it out of this bottle, maybe put it in something like that, a small bottle, or a spray bottle would probably even better. Just a little one. But you just put it on, and then you'll just rub it in like hand gel. And I'll tell you what, it smells lovely. It smells kind of like alcohol and slightly minty, and that's it. But no stronger than any kind of other, you know, hand gels I've ever tried. So that's an alternative for that. Alcolado glacial. Get it online. At the minute, it's still cheap. This is the problem. Because you do videos like this, next time you go on there, it's, you know, tons, you know, the price has gone up. At the minute, it's dirt cheap to get this. Can't remember precisely, she got it off Amazon, I think. Was cheap, may not be cheap after doing this video. But there's an alternative, definitely, to alcohol hand gel. Yeah, so I've got a few more videos to do because, like I said, at first none of this was affecting me at all, but now every time I go just normal food shopping, it's affecting me now because there isn't certain things, and in our supermarkets it's getting really bad. And the thing that's slightly annoying me is all the supermarkets are saying, oh no, we'll make sure everything's full up, but they're not. Every time I've been there, they've all been empty. So no beans anywhere, no tinned tomatoes, no pasta, no rice. Well, nearly all the tins in the supermarket, Tesco's, was completely gone. Nearly all the frozen meats was gone. Plenty of toilet roll though, which is weird. Not one shop I've been across has had no toilet roll. Nearly every single one has had loads of toilet roll. So they seem to be stocking up on that, but not the other things. Loads of things you can't get. So I'd started to get alternatives, and then I've had to get alternatives for the alternatives as well. But I'll do you some videos about that. Also, another one that did annoy me, which I have already got a bit of a supply, was dog food was nearly all gone as well. So at least people are thinking of their dogs, I suppose, but you know what I mean. It makes it a bit of a nightmare, people doing this. So I'm going to think of some substitutes. I'll show you my substitutes, and then you can have a look. That's the first one. For alcohol hand gel, you can change that to alcolado glacial, 76% alcohol. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. Oh, one last thing I have forgotten to say. I'll see if I can show you an image now. I've also written a new book called Coronavirus Survival Guide. It's a very simple little kind of manual of how kind of like how you could avoid it. I'll put a picture of that up at the end of the video. It's out on Amazon, £4.50. You know, so less than some magazines, if you know what I mean. Anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.